For Albay Governor Joey Salceda, the one-day non-remittance by OFWs is a symbolic move and should be enough to express their sentiments. The full story from Alvin Baltazar.
Albay Governor Joey Salceda believes that one day is already enough for overseas Filipinos to express their sentiments on the Bureau of Customs move pertaining to the inspection of the OFW's Balikbayan boxes. This is in connection with the non-remittance day scheduled this coming Friday, August 28. According to Salceda, the move is considered to be symbolic on the part of the OFW's expression of dismay towards the BOC's action.
Ay, kailangan lang masabi na, tingnan nyo naman kami, grabe hirap namin dito, tapos ganyan pagkagawin sa amin. So I think mapapansin na yan at mararamdaman na yan. Ibig sabihin, that's enough signal.
On the part of the business sector, Reginald Yu, president of Fanville Business Club, says that overseas Filipino workers perhaps just wanted to show that they are a strong sector of the society that must not be disregarded. The one-day non-remittance, according to Yu, saying that their families themselves eventually will be affected by such kind of protest.
Ang salapi naman na matatanggap nila doon sa remittance, mapapakinabangan naman talaga nung kanilang mga kamag-anak. So, natural, kung wala silang nakukuhang remittance galing sa kanila, wala silang pambili nung kanilang pang-araw-araw na gastos.
Hindi man, yung pinapatamaan mo, hindi naman siya ang masasaktan. Ang masasaktan yung mahal mo. Hindi yung pinapatamaan mo.
Salceda, on the other hand, said that OFWs should not be disregarded as 23% of the total families in the country are composed of overseas Filipino workers.
Ilang pamilya ba ang nakikinabang sa iyo? 23%. So malaki ang kanilang epekto o impact sa ating pong, hindi lang sa ekonomiya.
For the people, Alvin Baltazar.